What's going on, world? Welcome to another video of Hiking While Black. I am here at Sterling Ford State Park. I'm gonna be doing the Doris Duke Trail. It's in Rockland County, and I have two special people with me. Bringing back is no other than Joy.
It's Joy again.
And I have a new guest with me.
I'm
Please
Nydia.
introduce yourself.
Nydia.
All right, so you know why we're here, y'all. See you at the top, Hiking While Black. Let's go. I'm gonna try to make y'all the stars of the show, so if I want, I'm gonna be more likely behind y'all to get, have y'all in the footage more. And y'all don't mind, as far as
No, I don't
if I make a, like use y'all as a picture, as far as when the video come out, so at some point I know y'all gonna take a pic together.
I'm all about generating more interest and more people, and
Of course. Get this
so
movement
anything,
going.
yeah. We definitely have to take a selfie, a little video, and put on Black Moms Matter Orange County too.
Yes.
So they can see like we're doing it.
And, it's beautiful. Then, oh God, this is,
Isn't it?
yeah. And then my son went to Randall, and he was going on the back here there too. There's another one that's a little bit out. So he wasn't even put it in stuff.
Yeah.
God, this is beautiful.
We are at a fork in the road,
This way?
and I believe, yeah, it's a loop. So,
So we'll come
but
back
I-
this way
We'll come
anyway.
back this way anyway, right?
yeah.
So let's do it.
All right, so we had a loop, so we're thinking about where. I mean, at a
Maybe
loop.
right there, so-
We're at a fork in the road. We're thinking about
Well,
which
he
way
said
to
we
go.
have 7
So
trails.
maybe we're gonna go counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise is that way.
It would be, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
yeah,
that's counterclockwise.
This is clockwise.
Yeah, this is clockwise.
Yeah, so let's go that way.
So let's go this way. Okay. So we're gonna turn right. What you see? Hold on. You stopping like you saw something?
You saw something?
I don't know. She.
No, I'm just acclimating myself to the way the trails are marked.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
That's like written next marker when I see it.
Don't worry. I'm gonna hold y'all down. You know what I'm saying? We see a bear, I'm gonna go run, run. Like the movies. I got it.
Little rock scramble off to the side.
Joy wants to climb up,
That's a nice
try to
little
veer
rock
off the trail a
scramble.
little bit and do this little rock scramble. Now me, I'm not about that life, but I'll be a team player if she wants to do it. But she gonna have to carry me if I get
No,
stuck.
you don't have to do the rock scramble. I think I found a new fishing spot. Nobody knows about.
Approaching the river.
This is an amazing spot.
besides me sweating out here crazy, I'm learning some bomb breaking news from Joy. Joy, please say this again, because I've never heard this before, and this is dope information. Go ahead, Joy.
Part of the reason why the Olympics exist and the history of it is to help women survive the complications and trauma of childbirth and to recover better.
And there you have it. Today's tidbit.
Yeah.
Listen, you learn something new every day.
Every day I learn.
Hiking while black, you learn something new, you know?
You learn.
Not only the hiking, we give you educational history. You know? So ladies, have to ask, what do you think about this hike so far? Opinions?
I love it.
This is incredible. I really like this.
This is a moderate hike for me. It's
For me also.
yes, it's not. The elevation is good. The trails are pretty decent. Yeah, all around, I'm enjoying it so far. The company is great.
Would y'all recommend this to other people?
I would recommend this.
1000%.
And dress appropriately. You get hot real quick, even up in the mountains.
And bring bug spray.
Bug spray, yes.
Bug
I hear
spray.
another stream.
Even kids can do this.
That's what I was getting ready to say.
Yes,
Even if you have a pet, like
Yeah.
a dog, this is totally doable.
very
There's
doable.
plenty of drinking water
Yes. And,
for
you
the
know,
dog. I mean, if you want to drink it, man.
well, you can bring a life straw, which I have life straws. You can bring one with you and taste the fresh mountain water, not that stuff they put into your pipes.
Yeah, I hear that. Second that.
Starting a new trail without me.
Joy just seen what may have been a baby copperhead. I didn't see it. Maybe. Wait. Bear.
You serious?
I'm joking. Listen, I'm joking. I just had to do that. I'm sorry, y'all.
I've encountered a bear before.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I
No.
had just read.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Gotta take a picture of these.
Mushrooms.
Found out that these are edible.
I see where the trail. I mean, if you look at it,
yellow marker.
does the trail go over there? You see all the yellow right there on that tree?
Goes that way.
All right, so I guess it goes straight. All right, so we'll go straight. Hey, come on, bro. See you at the top. Bless you. Bless you.
Huh?
Oh, so it is right here. Look. Yeah, it is that
Yeah,
way.
there's the marker, and then there's the next one.
All right.
All right.
I think we're at the top of the mountain right there.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't think we can go much higher.
Oh, no, no, yeah, this is the top because it's
Yeah.
starting to ascend.
Because it levels out. When you can't see the trees much higher than where you are,
Yeah.
that's usually the top of the mountain.
Where's
Where's the peak? What's the elevation up here?
649 of them.
649, right?
Yeah. That's another reason why I picked this. There was another one I almost picked, but I saw the elevation was only 3 something.
That, wait, which one was
we gotta
it?
go up there. The three of us make it to the peak. Set up a selfie up there. Can you do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think. I'm not technology savvy, but I can get y'all in the, again. Oh, we all can get into
What I
it
mean
together.
is, you will. That's okay for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's okay. Oh yeah. This ain't no issue.
Okay. That's
I have no issue with this. Look at that.
And I'm close one again.
Huh? I'm watching where I step. See, y'all are a lot taller than me. So.
I know, I tend to forget that.
Yeah.
Down. We've made it to the top.
Nice.
Sit down. Have a water.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to the top. We did it. These girls was excellent. They broke some history down to me, and you know, we're gonna be hiking soon in the future. Oh, real quick, if you guys want to talk about your group real quick, if y'all want to. If it's a personal joint, then I will keep it out.
No. We are the People of Color Homeschooling Group.
We can call it that. We're
From Dutchess County.
We homeschool, but we also connected through a local mom group, Black Moms Matter Orange County. They know about us. They know about Ty. There's going to be more of us, hopefully, as the days get better and warmer.
Yes.
But we also are homeschooling moms. We're doing our thing here in New York.
Yes, we're trying to get this movement going.
Absolutely.
Get outdoors more, get our steps in.
And encourage more people to join us.
Yes.
Fresh mountain air.
Alright, y'all, so there you go. Here you have it, Hiking While Black. See you at the next hikes. Peace. Love.
Summit.
So now we're approaching the real summit. We thought that summit. Nah, we was just chilling. So now we're approaching the real summit here. Look.
Oh God, it's hot, Joy. On top of the world. Oh yes, look.
Wow!
Yeah, we're in a picture. Just hold on to the summit. Like, we made it.
That lake is big, actually.
I'm gonna give it.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so now we're at the real summit. We made it. Doris Trail, Sterling Forest State Park. See you at the next hike, Hiking While Black. Peace.
Woohoo!